Make yourself completely comfortable now. Take a moment and see if there are any final adjustments that you want to do. Fine tune your comfort level completely at the best. Now just take a nice relaxing breath, and as you exhale, feel your worries flying away from you. Imagine them like tiny little birds flying away from you. One more deep inhale. As you exhale, relax deeply. During Yog Nidra, you can move if you want to, but try to do it very slowly and gently, and only if you really need to. Else, it will be great if you keep the body completely still and relaxed. I'm going to guide you through the practice. Hence, you need to listen to my voice and all the instructions that I give you. However, it's perfectly fine if your attention drifts off sometimes. Keep coming back to my voice gently and without any judgment. In today's session, I'm going to invite you to visualize or feel an imagery of any place in the nature. I will guide you through the walk in the nature. I will also help you imagine a few landscapes, sensations. Give your best to visualize it across all the levels as much as possible. However, do not feel any pressure to feel it 100%. Now bring your awareness to the room that you are in. Let your ears operate like a radar and scan different kinds of sounds that are around you, outside the room, inside the room. Scan the surrounding and look for different kinds of sounds without worrying about the source of the sound. Let your awareness move from one sound to the other. And now, bring your attention to your breath. Inhale through the nose and allow the belly to expand. Exhale and relax. Once again, inhale through the nose. Allow the belly to expand. Allow the chest to expand. Exhale and relax the whole body. Make a resolution to your mind that I am doing the Yoga Nidra and I shall be completely awake. Inhale through the nose, creating space. Exhale and soften the body. Take 2 more deep breaths at your own pace and feel your body sinking in the floor. Parts touching the floor are getting heavier and heavier. Feel that heaviness everywhere in the body. Now we will do the rotation of consciousness. I will keep saying the name of the body part, and you shall bring your attention to that body part. You are not going to focus, simply going to make note of that body part and move with my voice to the next. We always start with the right. Feel your right heel. Feel your left heel. Feel the right toe, left toe. Feel the right calf, left calf. Right knee, left knee. Right thigh, left thigh. The whole right leg. The whole left leg. Feel the right buttock, left buttock. Feel both the buttocks together. Feel the area of your pelvis. Feel the area of your lower back, middle back, upper back. Feel the shoulder blades, back of the right hand, back side of the left hand. Feel the right wrist, left wrist, right forearm, left forearm, right elbow, left elbow, right upper arm, left upper arm, right shoulder, left shoulder, both the shoulders together. Feel the neck, feel the back side of the head, feel the whole of your face. Feel the throat, feel the right part of the chest, left part of the chest. Feel the middle part of the chest. Feel the upper half of the abdomen, lower part of the abdomen. Feel your chest and stomach together. Now we will cover all the major parts. Feel the whole back together. Feel the whole right leg. Feel the whole left leg. Feel both the legs together. Feel both your arms together. Feel the whole of the back side. Feel the whole of the front side. Feel the face and the chest together. Now feel the total body together, head to toe, toe to head. the whole body together in one thought, in one breath. You're feeling the total body. Your whole body is completely relaxed. Visualize your body, the frontal side, as if you're watching yourself from the top. You're lying absolutely comfortable on the floor. Your body is completely relaxed. Bring your awareness now to the breath and follow the gentle tide of your breath without altering it. Visualize a golden light flowing up and down through your spine as you inhale and exhale. With your inhale, the golden light flows from the tailbone to the crown. As you exhale, it flows from the crown to the tailbone. This golden light is the cosmic tide of prana. Visualize this tide flowing from the tailbone to the crown, from the crown to the tailbone with every breath. Gentle and slow, beautiful golden tide. Keep your awareness and vision only with this beautiful golden light flowing up and down through your spinal column. This golden light is energizing you from tailbone to the head, head to the tailbone. I want you to watch these tides now and count them from 9 to 1. As the tide comes from the tailbone to the head and head to the tailbone, you count it as 9. The next tide, as it completes, will be 8. Keep this count and keep your awareness on the tide till you reach 1. No mistake. Keep the awareness on the tide and on the count. Stop the counting now and feel the spinal column coming to the life vibrant and radiant. This wave has put in a lot of life force into your spine and into your personality. I want you to now imagine that you are standing outside the nature. Feel your bare feet on the earth. You are standing in an open meadow surrounded by a lush forest. Look around and feel the freshness of the forest. Tip your face upward and feel the warmth of the sun touching your skin. Inhale and smell the wildflowers in the air. In the distance, see a beautiful path leading into the forest. Walk towards the path and slowly enter into this beautiful green forest. As you're inside the forest, your eyes are adjusting to the shades of the tree. The path continues in front of you, and the wind is touching your skin. Sunlight shines through the tree. Listen to the birds humming, singing all around you. Continue to walk on this path. And now find yourself climbing on a path which goes uphill. Keep climbing up and keep looking around for different shades of green. As you come near the top of the hill, you see a small opening in the side of the mountain. The opening looks like a cave. You feel drawn to the cave and you start walking towards it. As you enter in the cave, you see a beautiful lit candle. You see a beautiful lit candle. You smell the aroma of the candle and you realize that it's a beautiful old sacred temple. You sit down on the floor and you feel a sense of calmness rising within you. You feel absolutely at peace. You soak in the silence in the cave. You gaze into the candle and you appreciate the flame of the candle. As you keep looking at the flame of the candle, you feel deeply meditative. You continue to look at the candle, and now you repeat your sankalp 3 times quietly, intently, with full conviction. And as you finish saying your sankalpa 3 times, you pause and then mentally chant Om. Relax your efforts now and gently bring your awareness to the breath. Feel the breath entering through the nostrils and feel the calmness rising through the whole of your body. Also feeling the sensations on your skin. Feel the jaw, feel your face, feel your arms and feel your legs. Start developing the awareness of the whole body once again. And start to slowly and gently move your fingers, move your toes. Very gently bring your feet together. And slowly bring your arms over the head for giving yourself a nice long stretch, feeling the whole body now. Keeping your eyes closed, gently slide to any one side, left or right, however is comfortable. Keep your eyes closed. Just feel the whole body. Now gently use your arms, elbows, and lift yourself to sit in any meditative posture. And as you sit in the meditative posture, I want you to feel your sitting bones. Feel the whole of your spine, opening up your chest, creating space for another beautiful round of breaths. Elbows close to the torso, palms in Gyan Mudra, face completely relaxed, and your awareness is on the breath now. Without making any change in the breath, keep your attention on the natural inhalations and exhalations. Feel the expansion in the chest, expansion in the belly. As you exhale, relax the whole body. We shall now chant Om 5 times with complete focus on the breath and the sound. Take a nice deep breath in. Bring your palms together, rub them gently, cup your eyes, cup your face. Feel the body with your palms, your neck, your shoulders, your face, and gently open your eyes with a smile.